Welcome. This is a 12-minute morning yoga class to help stretch the body, wake up the body, and release any stress that you may be holding on to. As always, feel free to modify or skip any poses that don't feel right today. Let's begin laying, bending the knees, planting the feet. And maybe just placing your hands on your belly, checking in with the body, notice how you're feeling today. Maybe observing the breath, expanding the belly with your inhales, and as you exhale, softening the belly. Maybe noticing that connection between your back, the sacrum, your hips, and the mat. And whenever you're ready, we'll gently begin to rock the knees side to side, rolling over the glutes, the lower back, the sacrum. Perfect. Go ahead and straighten the right leg, hugging the left knee in towards the chest. Now you have the option to stay here, or you can begin to draw some circles with that knee, just big circles here. You can even straighten that leg out towards the bottom of the mat as you draw that circle. And we'll go opposite direction. Perfect. Go ahead and hug that knee in towards the chest or as close as you can comfortably get it. And then we'll go ahead and cross it over towards the right. Back stays flat on the mat for a supine twist. Now, if this is too intense, you can just place both knees over towards the right, just like I'm doing here. You also have the option to modify, placing pillows underneath the knee or between the knees. And underneath, you can fold a towel or a blanket or even a pillow. Place it underneath that left shoulder. Utilizing your inhales to really create that space in the chest. And as you exhale, softening the upper body, even if it's just for a moment. Continue working with the breath. Great, we'll gently release, switching sides to just straightening the left leg, hugging the right knee in towards the chest. You can stay here, draw some big circles with that knee. And going opposite direction. Great. Hug the knee in towards the chest and then just cross it over towards the left, or take whatever variation feels best for you here for a supine twist. Again, option to modify. And going at your own pace here, working with the breath. Great. We'll gently release. Take your time. We'll go ahead and drop both knees open. Bottoms of feet will come to touch for supine butterfly pose. You can modify here, placing pillows underneath the knees for added height, as many as you need. No rules here. This is your practice. And just working with the breath, maybe drawing the breath into the belly. And as you exhale, softening the belly, softening the mid-back, the lower back, the groin, the knees, the feet. And whenever you're ready, we'll lift the knees, hug them in towards the chest, big hug, big squeeze. And whenever you're ready, we'll grab the outer edges of the feet if the body allows it. And you can stay here or you can open the feet for happy baby. Option to gently rock side to side. And then we'll gently rock all the way up. Take your time. Come to a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you. It's going to be different for everyone. You can even sit in a chair if that feels better today. Or you can sit on the side of your bed or your couch. And just begin to draw the chin down, ear to shoulder, feeling out all the clicks and ticks. And then lifting the chin, same thing here, ear to shoulder, ear to shoulder. And And we'll make a fist with both hands and just circle the wrists here. Again, feeling out all those clicks and ticks, getting the movement into the body, warming up the joints. And we'll gently begin to rock side to side. Just flowing here, maybe even drawing big circles with the waist, the chest, wherever the body takes you. And we'll come back to center. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards the right. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, take it over towards the left. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, release the hands back down. Inhale, reach. Exhale, release. One more breath, biggest breath you've taken today. Reach up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste.